can you give us a brief description of your company and who are you and who do you help?
Okay, hi, my name is Alexandre Pechev and I'm with IKinema. IKinema is a startup, now 2 years old, and we work in the area of computer animation. We develop technologies for movie post-production, animation in movie post-production, helping the guys in converting motion capture data into their characters. But also we work in the area of computer animation for games, so essentially runtime animation.
And what are you showing here at SIGGRAPH this year?
We're showing really the full range of technologies that we've developed over the past few years, starting from a middleware tool, and we are now into Intel's booth. We work with them in a partnership. Essentially, our technology allows solving on several hundreds of characters, and with the help of Intel and their multi-processing and multi-threading approach, we can demonstrate this on their hardware. We're also demonstrating our integration into Autodesk Maya and what you can do for enthusiasts and newcomers into the animation industry, how quickly they can start building rigs and animating characters, up to experienced studios that work on motion capture data, and they use our technologies to pass data from one character to another and customize it.
Okay, well, we're going to do a demo in a second, but I wanted to ask you, have you seen any big trends here at SIGGRAPH this year? What are you seeing?
I mean, what is interesting, it's actually our first SIGGRAPH, so difficult to compare to any other year, but actually all the technology that we've seen around are amazing, so all companies obviously demonstrating their best projects. There were a few areas that amazed me, the push on 3D technologies and especially 3D televisions. And in general, all the technologies obviously made a big step this year, going from the Autodesk product to ZBrush, but including also hardware like our partners on Intel. Okay, so essentially our tool allows you to build very quickly rigs on any model. So for example, if you're working on a character like this little girl, you can build controls, populate controls on this character, which then you can use to keyframe and synthesize your animation. But also if you have an animation asset that you've built for a project, you can pass this animation asset on the same character or a different character, and also customize this so that it responds to the new requirements. So for example, you can have the shield in a different location or the sword and so on. You can also use the tool to pass motion capture data. This is data that usually will be recorded in a studio using markers, and then this is then transferred to a character of any size and resolution to allow solving in real time and converting marker data into bone motion. If you are into runtime animation, we are demonstrating how you can do this on several hundreds of characters using the latest Intel hardware, and this solving is multi-threaded so that each individual character is solved in parallel to get the best out of performance.